Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? We are on day number 16 of the 30 days of NAIL-O-WEEN. I am now moving on to the newer version of the Stephen King's It. I'm not gonna do like the full face with the hair and that like I did with the Tim Curry one. I actually found I'll insert the reference photo here. More of like the movie cover version, and that little bit of blood that's coming out of his mouth, I'm gonna put like the word it, in that on the nail just to kind of tie it in a little bit. So yes, without further ado, let's get into that. All right, hey, bunny hands. Okay, so just like the last one, I'm using a full white tip. And like I've said before in the other ones, you can get these off of Amazon. You can get them off Wish, AliExpress, eBay, wherever. I got these ones from Banggood quite some time ago. Again, everything I'm using will be in the description box below, but I'm using the same colors, mostly, as the last two. So white, black, some ruby red, and a little bit of yellow. So, and I'm going to use pencil, and I'm going to kind of sketch out my guy, my dude, my creepy guy, as per usual. And I'm going to go a little higher on the nail because we have to add that little bit extra down the bottom. It's crazy how popular this has been this year. You see it all over the internet. Everywhere. I don't know about you guys, but I tried watching the first version or the first part of this new one, and I don't know, I just couldn't get into it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Sometimes when they remake movies, they don't always do them up to snuff to the older one. So, but yeah, that's just my opinion. All right, so that's what I've got. And let's get into it. Okay, so there that is. I matte top coated it. I like the way that looks. This has kind of been like, you know, what's going around this year, and everybody only does either this or like a half face. But I thought I would do something a little different. So anywho's, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you all in the next one. So I hope you all stay tuned and stay jazzy.